Hi friends, many software projects fail because requirements are not documented properly. If you want to become a business analyst, you must learn how to write a BRD, Business Requirement Document. Imagine this situation. A company spends millions of dollars to build a software. But when the project is completed, the client says this is not what we asked for. Why does this happen? Because requirements were not documented properly. And that is exactly why business requirement documents BRD are so important. In this video, I will show you how to write a professional BRD step by step. Many beginners think writing a BRD is just copying requirements, writing long documents using complex templates. But the truth is, a good BRD clearly explains the business problem and solutions. Let us see how to write business requirement document step by step in this video. Let us take a simple example. A bank wants to create a mobile app for customers. Customers should be able to check balance, transfer money, and pay bills. Before developers start coding, the business analyst must create a BRD document explaining the requirements. Let us see what goes inside that document. BRD Section 1 Document Overview. The first section includes project name, document version, author, date, example, project name, mobile banking application, version 1.0, author, business analyst. BRD Section 2 Business Objective. This section explains why the project exists. Example objective to enable customers to perform banking transactions using a mobile application. This helps everyone understand the business goal. BRD Section 3 Scope. Scope explains what is included and what is not included. Example included balance checking, fund transfer, and bill payment. Not included loan processing. BRD Section 4 Stakeholders. Stakeholders are people involved in this project. Example business manager, product owner, development team, QA team. This section helps identify who is responsible for decisions. BRD Section 5 Business Requirements. This is a most important section. Example requirements. Requirement 1. The system should allow users to log in using username and password. Requirement 2. The system should allow users to transfer funds between accounts. Requirements must be clear, testable, and measurable. Always you should keep in mind that the requirement should be in clear, testable, and measurable. BRD Section 6 Business Rules. Business rules define restrictions. Example daily transfer limit 1 lakh per day. BRD Section 7 Assumptions and Constraints. Example assumptions users have internet access. Example constraints project must be completed within 6 months. BRD Section 8 approval part we need to capture in BRD also. The final section includes approval from the stakeholders. Example business manager, product owner, project manager. This confirms everyone agrees with the requirements. Writing a good BRD helps teams understand requirements clearly, reduce project errors, improve project success. If you want to learn more about business analyst skills, BA interview preparation, BA career roadmap, subscribe to Career Growth Lab. And if you want sample documents, you can visit our website and you can download the sample documents from that website. I'm giving you the website link in the description. Thank you for watching.